Your dashboard offers you insight into everything happening in the BokehPix application. Inside, you'll notice that it starts with a calendar view with several options to show sessions, upcoming specials, sessions related to specials, when items were booked, website contacts, and question answers. You can toggle these features on and off, which are color-coded, and look in the past or the future to see everything that has occurred. Click within the events to take action, either on contacts to make notes or save as clients, upcoming sessions to review emails sent, contract information, or review questions that have been answered by your clients, and the specials that have been booked and any items related to it. Creating new calendar events is as simple as clicking on a date, entering the required fields, and pressing Save. In this way, you can create instant sessions, events, personal items, or specials just on the calendar itself. You can even go back into them once they're created to initiate a workflow process, which may enable you to send multiple contracts, emails, and invoices in one click of a button. You can even edit these workflow templates on the spot and update it for existing or brand new templates in the future. The calendar can be used for many applications, from creating sessions and events on the spot to updating them, jumping to them for more applications, or even removing them. You can also choose to toggle the calendar on and off so you can view other aspects of the dashboard very quickly. Filter by the top menu here by period to see upcoming sessions, specials, website contacts, and then also review if there's trouble with any of your specials. The dashboard gives you insight into possible issues surrounding your sessions that are upcoming. This is another way to toggle between your website activity outside of the calendar view. This list view offers details around your contacts and bookings, recent orders with actionable states. For instance, if you want to set a shipment to shipped, provide the date, carrier, and tracking number, and then quickly email the client, you can do it straight from the dashboard. Other items would be sessions that need attention. This can give you insight into items that may be wrong with your sessions. For instance, this one, the client has not provided any selections to your proofing session. You can also configure these exceptions on and off to your liking, suited to your specific business needs. Details around all of your open orders can be found in other sections such as this. You can show as many entries as you wish to get an idea of everything that has happened with regard to your orders. And once again, have the option to email the client if necessary. The other option on the list view is to change or toggle the activities between website, upcoming sessions and specials, and contracts. This gives you a more detailed breakout of what's coming up with your events versus what has happened with your contract activity over the period shown in the filter. The combination of the calendar view and the list view makes the dashboard a powerful tool. Using the interface of BokehPix can be achieved in numerous ways. The navigation bar on the left is your best source of moving to any part of the system. Expand sections by clicking to see what lies underneath. As you expand one, the others will become contracted. Most of the pages are laid out in an area where you can see the list of items at the top and details below. You can sort on any column inside any table and search also within any column as well. As you start typing, it will highlight which columns are being matched to what you're looking for. The default is 5 entries per table, but you can expand that to include up to 100. You can also page between as you are looking for your search criteria. Once you've found the item you're looking for, click it. This will load and move you to the part of the site where you can work on the details of that item. Tabs are generally laid out at the top, and action buttons can be located either at the top of the menu bar. Similar buttons can be found at the bottom as well. As you move through the tabs, these buttons will change. So for instance, if I'm on the Images tab here, I am awarded with an image actions that are specific to this tab. And if I scroll to the bottom, I'll also have these same image actions located inside this menu. The Actions tab at the top is reserved for just those global actions, in this case of the session. Generally, if you're ready to start working on a new item, there is a New button at the top of the menu or in the global action. The other way that you can move around in the system is using the search bar at the top of the menu. The search bar allows you to do any manner of search or actions. For instance, I can start typing a person's name, Jane, and see that I have a client named Jane along with some sessions that have her name. Or I can type the word add. Then you can jump to that part of the system. The icons in the top right corner allow you to review activity on your website or within the system. For instance, on the notifications bar, you can view people that have started downloading from their galleries, people that have selected their proofing images, and in most cases you can take action on these, such as reviewing those proofs straight away from any page in the system and downloading to a text file or jumping to that particular area. The Communication Center allows you to review website contacts and review who has booked specials on your website as well. Once more, you can take action on these by clicking on the little eye icon, which in this case would take me to that special to see who has booked. Other communications are from your contact page. You can see the message that was sent, the email, and the name. The next icon is the Help icon, where you can review training videos and specific details about how to move through BokehPix, how to set up sessions and specials, how to review contact details, and how to set up templates. Be sure to visit this page often as we're always adding additional training videos. Your account settings has a wealth of information. This is where you're controlling the back end of BokehPix. You can also reach out to us with a contact button or review your website. Within the account settings, you'll see the tabs at the top. You can set your logo here, your profile picture, your contact information. You can set up custom SMTP emails and domains, adjust your time and date settings to suit your needs, your time zone. The image settings allow you to set the maximum resolution your images will be loaded on the website and the portals. Keep in mind, this does not impact the original file that a client will download from the site. You can also set your watermark images here. Preferences allow you to determine what BokehPix will capture for your notifications, whether we send you an email or whether you can review it in the Notifications tab that you just saw before. There's also some default settings to assist you with setting up sessions quicker. This will reduce your time in setting up new sessions. The last item is for your payment acceptance. You can set your sales tax rate, your flat shipping rate, your currency code payout, which is available in a half a dozen currencies, as well as setting up your Stripe account from this window.